Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be doing another Ohuhu Polygel kit review and unboxing. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright, here we go. Here is the instruction manual, the colors in the kit, everything you need to know, your precautions, how to. Here is a discount, 15% off this entire kit, start and end date. Alright, so this is the lamp that comes in the kit. Now this is going in a giveaway, like I said there. So I do not use it, but it has all of your buttons. It has a 60-second button, 80-second button, and 99-second button. The plug-in, here are the LED lights, your sensors, your cord, instructions. This is Model Star 8, 36 watt. They give you your instruction manual how to use that. It comes with two different dual forms. This one here is more curved. The next one is more straight for straighter nails. And then you get a big old bag of tricks, which I thought was very, very nice. You get your 180 grit file, a whole bunch of really beautiful glitters, some butterflies, your brush and spatula, a brush to brush off any dust, a cuticle cleaner, two little scrubbies, a nail clippers, and your polygel, your slip solution. Here are 4 of them. Here are the other 3. Your top, your base, a clear, which is going in my clearest polygel battle. And here we go with all the swatches. I think the nude polygel set is very nice. It's great for those nude or those French nails. Comes with a really nice pink. Here we go. That's what they look like after they've been cured. Alright, so you guys saw the swatches. I am going to put the clear in my number 3 clearest polygel video. So that is coming very, very soon. Okay, so I have opened up the holographic, the pink, the blue, the iridescent white, and the purple. And these 5 are the glitters that I'll be using. Now I did go ahead and do a couple nails. I just got them ready because I wanted to try something new. And what that is, I know you guys are probably going to say, Jamie, what the hell are you doing? Well, let me just show you. Alright, so I took a Sharpie, okay, and I'm doing a French tip, but I'm doing it inside the nail. I've never tried this before. I figured that would be kind of cool. Let's try it. And where your base color would go is where I'm putting the glitter. I had to mark it with a black marker, and the black marker will come off with alcohol, so I'm not worried about that. So when I flip it to do the underside, I know exactly where to put the white polygel. So that's what we're going for. Let's see how this turns out. So I've went ahead and I've marked out this one. So now I'm going to show you what I do. I flip it over. I'm going to take my Ohuhu base coat. I take the base coat and I'm going only inside the black line. So make sure you get enough base in there to hold on to those glitters. Grab your brush, start applying those glitters. If you do get any outside of the line, you can take care of that before you cure it. Also, while I'm doing this, you guys make sure you prep your nails, buff off the surface shine, push back those cuticles, make sure you add a dehydrator, primer, base coat. Okay, once I'm fairly happy with the placement of the glitter, I'll flip it and make sure everything looks nice. Flip it back, go ahead and give that a 10-second cure. Now I'm going to show you how I draw the line. So what I do is take my marker and I will go about right here. You want it right in the center. You want to have just enough at the tip to make your French, okay, to make the tip French white, you know what I'm saying. And then you're going to pull this part. You're going to draw this in the best you can, because like I said, this is going to be coming off. So after you get that, you're going to flip it and do the same thing with the other side. Try to get them even if you can. You know, not a big deal. You do want it to look fairly decent. This one's always the hardest because, alright, I went a little too low over here. So what I'll do is just bring that down a little. So you have that and then that, and just look at it from this angle and make sure that it looks fairly even. Alright, after I draw the line, I'll flip it and I'll do the same thing, add the glitter, or add the base gel, then the glitter. Now, I really want to say I do a lot of these under the nail designs because my hands hurt so bad when I have to file stuff. I don't know, guys. I think it's arthritis setting in. I fell on my elbow a couple months back and it cracked. And ever since then, it's been really giving me a lot of problems. So it's really hard for me to do like on top of the nail designs anymore, you know, like your regular acrylic and gel. It's really, really hard. And I don't really like to talk about it because it's, you know, it's personal business, but this is just so much easier. The full cover nails are just so much easier for me to do now. So that's why I stick with a lot of under the nail designs, but I like to break it up. I like to do different things under the nail, not just slapping polygel under there. I like to add things to it, make it different. That way it's not the same every time. I'm not just slapping polygel under there and then going, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys can appreciate the designs I do and not get upset with me because I'm not doing it on top of the nail. Alright, so I went ahead and finished this. I'm going to go ahead and flash cure. Everything looks good. I really like that this company puts a lot of extras in the bag. That way, you know, you got a lot of things that you can use if you want. I'm going to take their 30 ml slip solution. Go ahead and put it in my little dampen dish. Alright, cross your fingers, cross your toes. Let's hope this works. Alright guys, so I took the white and I put it right at the tip, and then I took the brush and tried to stay in between the marker or the Sharpie. And you can do so just by watching where you're going underneath the nail here. Just make sure it all stays on one side of that Sharpie marker. And then I go in with a little bit more polygel, that way I can do the other side. I cure the other side before I start on this side, so it does make it a little easier to do it that way. It looks pretty good. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cure that. I'm going to go ahead actually and cure it for 60 because it's white. Alright, I'm going in again with the white at the tip. Again, spread that down in between the Sharpie and the edge of the nail. You're going to cure the one side once you've got it, and then go ahead and work on the other side. And then what I did was I fully cured those for 60 seconds because it is a white polygel. My first impressions on this white, if you like a soft polygel, you'll like this. It's very, very soft. Easy to work with, but it is very soft. All right, you guys, I think I'm going to go in with this one. It's dark, and then I'm gonna also use this one for the accent finger. Before I do that, you guys know you're gonna prep your nails. I, however, am gonna go in with a coat of my Eno Couture peel off base. This is a new product that I just received. I haven't tried it yet, so I want to give it a try. It does air dry, so you do not have to cure this. So what you're going to do is just from cuticle to free edge, put a coat of that on. Once it's dry, we'll come back and apply the nails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit on the bottom here. Enough to where I can move it all the way up. I may need a little bit more. Okay, this is very, very soft. Flip it, make sure you know you like it. 45 degrees, apply it onto your nail. Make sure your light's ready. And cure. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the nude color. Put that at the base of the nail. One big bead. That way you can smooth that right up the middle of that nail. You're not going to go on top of the white. You're going to go right in between the white. You're going to make sure that it's nice and thin. You don't want this too thick, especially when you're doing under the nail designs. You want to keep it nice and thin. You're going to apply it to your nail at 45 degrees, flash cure. Now we're going to go in with the second color that I used. This is on my accent finger only. Again, smoothing that polygel down. Make sure that you do have enough polygel if you're using a sculpted nail, because you're going to need more, of course, than you would with a, you know, a flat nail. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Sorry about that. And then just apply them, flash cure them, and you're good to go. Alright, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. Okay, after it is fully cured, I'm going to take a lint-free wipe and some isopropyl alcohol. And we're going to get these the black marker off of the nail. I am going to take the Ohuhu top coat, and we're going to top coat the underside just to seal everything in and make sure it's not sticky when I go to file. Alright, you're going to flip that over and cure that for 60 seconds. Alright guys, I'm going to take their file, sharpen up my edges, buff the shine off the nail, and then we'll come back and finish them up. Alright y'all, I just went around this one with those teeny tiny little crystals. These like super tiny ones, and it takes forever. So I do not think I'm gonna do that with the rest of the nails. I really wanted to, because I figured, oh my god, they would be stunning, right, if I went around each one of them, but it's taking forever. So I'm taking my Yogi nail glue. It's gel, and it's got an applicator like this, so it's easier to like go around that line. So that's why I'm using it. It actually works fantastic, you guys. Like, they're on there, they're not going anywhere. A few up here by the cuticle. Alright, last but not least, let's go in with our top coat. Look how those shine, you guys. Even doing a design under the nail, you can still get a beautiful, glossy, clear look. I don't care what anyone says. I will say on a scale of 1 to 10, these are a little harder to do because I had to do the French first, had to outline everything, make sure it was just a you know what. But I think they turned out pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do a 60-second cure. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here is my Ohuhu I'm sorry, Ohuhu Beauty Polygel Kit nails. French with glitter. Let me know what you think. How do you think they turned out? Let me think what kind of emojis we can put down in the comment section today. What about something... What about like a mermaid? These remind me of like mermaid nails. They're so sparkly. But again, thank you to Ohuhu Beauty for sending this kit to me for review. I do appreciate it. Again, their polygels are very, very soft. Keep that in mind if you want to buy these. They're very easy to work with, but I wasn't doing it on top of the nail either. It may be a little harder when you're working on top of the nail with a soft polygel. I already explained why I have not done that in a while. But I hope you guys do enjoy this. I do try to mix it up a bit and do different things. Not always the same thing under the nail because I know that gets boring. Let me know what you guys think of this set. Give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. Check out all the links below. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Be you and I'll be me. Bye guys.